SafePal Wallet App Review. Watch before using 2025. Today, we're diving deep into the SafePal Wallet app, one of the hottest crypto wallets out there. If you're thinking about using SafePal to store your crypto safely, you definitely want to watch this video till the end, so let's get started. So, first up, what exactly is SafePal? SafePal is a crypto wallet backed by Binance, offering both software and hardware wallet solutions. It supports over 100 blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB chain, you name it, and it's designed to be user friendly and secure. Let's take a quick look at what you get inside the app. A built-in decentralized exchange to swap tokens directly. SafePal earns stake and earn yields without leaving your wallet. NFT support. Yes, you can manage your NFTs too. DA app browser, giving you direct access to DeFi apps. And fingerprint login, Face ID, passphrases, and recovery phrase backup. Here's what you love about SafePal. Extremely beginner-friendly UI, supports a massive number of coins, integrated trading features, backup and restore is simple, affordable wallet hardware wallet options if you want extra security, but it's not perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Transaction fees and swaps can be a bit high compared to centralized exchanges. You must manually update the app and firmware for security, so don't ignore it. Some users report occasional bugs with DA app browsing. So, never share your recovery phrase. SafePal doesn't store it. If you lose it or it gets stolen, your funds could be gone forever. Always back it up online, offline, not on your phone, not on email. So, if you're a beginner, casual holder, or even a DeFi explorer, SafePal is a fantastic choice. But if you're doing massive trades daily or holding millions in crypto, you might want to pair it with their hardware wallet or look at more specialized setups. And thanks for watching. This is a foolproof review of SafePal. So, are you planning to use SafePal or do you have any another favorite wallet?